these pockets and no gum. Sure wish I had some. And what did you say?
Feed me!
Titters, you just ate an hour ago. I'm not feeding you. There.
Can I eat your hand?
Are you that hungry?
I'm so hungry, I'd rather eat your hair.
Wouldn't it get stuck in your mouth?
I have daily hairs in my mouth all the time. I'm back from school.
That was quick.
8 hours of
8
school.
hours of school.
8 hours wasn't that short.
I know.
It was very tiring.
What's in there?
A binder, some papers, some math stuff that I don't know about. Yeah.
My worst subject was math.
Alright.
What are you doing? Sound like a record.
I'm getting the plays.
That's what it sounded like. Look at this thing, this noise. I worked all morning cleaning the place up. I need gum so bad, but I guess I'll have to live. Yeah, maybe I might as well live better.
Rose, can you come over here and help me with my homework?
What's your homework? I'm pretty stupid when it comes to homework. What do you got?
I need math. I need you to help me with math.
Oh, forget it. I'll see what I can do, but I don't think I'll be much help. Math was my worst subject. And what grade are you in now? Junior high. Huh.
It says here, oh wait, no, not here. Alright, so it says, you might not be able to read it, but it says, alright, so this is like an example sentence for the math question. So, it says, the mailman had 7x mail, but had to get rid of 4x mail. What would be the answer to that?
7x divided by 4x. That reminds me, I gotta go find one of my mailboxes.
4 x. Alright.
I don't know what, I ate something for lunch and boy, it was turkey or whatever it was, and I do, I feel awful.
Was it rotten?
And I hope not, but the way I'm feeling, I'm wondering.
Well, if it's not contagious.
Oh no, I don't think it was anything else. But I felt great till I ate.
Alright, so when are you going to get me that laptop?
Well, maybe for Christmas. Christmas isn't that far away anymore.
I want it now.
Well, too bad.
I
Okay, Jeff. We're gonna go find out where my mailbox is right now. Like I said, this is the first time I really sat down like that. God.
Alright.
Back to my life. People being. Like I said, I was fine till we go down there. I don't have my key with me. My daddy knows. At least I don't think I do. And I don't care for that. Wow. Where that was fun. Let's see, I'm gonna go back. I'm going down there. I'm coming back. There it is. What the heck did I pick it up? God, that's heavy. Sweet. That's it. No, I was fine. I had just gotten a day. Yeah, I've got a present for you. Look, this is what I found when we went to the mailbox. Is it yours?
No.
No. Maybe you can find out who's yours.
Wait, why would it be mine if you never got me a laptop? Alright. See if it works.
Which is where I'm going.
Way extreme on this issue. There used to be consensus where abortion would be safe, legal, and rare, but now this seems on-demand everywhere. No questions are asked. Democratic Party has gone so far left.
Works.
Oh, really? How do you know?
Can't say there should be any restrictions on abortion, and that's why,
It
there's
works.
a place closest where we are now.
Explain it why it's working.
Well, I used to know how to work the computer. I don't know anymore. It's been a long time since that happened.
Alright, I'm gonna play on it.
Where politics and the content collide, as some on Capitol Hill hope to vote these his views for church.
There's nothing in there.
Oh my gosh. This is a hacking computer.
Chips of what? What?
This is a hacking computer.
Why? Why is it a hacking computer?
Because look, it's a hacking computer. It has government files on it. It says top secret on the top corner.
What are you going to do about it?
Gosh.
Yeah, what are you going to do with the laptop?
I don't know. Are we gonna have to destroy it? Put it somewhere else? Hey guys, I'm hungry. Can you? Not right now.
What are we going to do?
Ooh, I have an idea. Just come this way.
Okay.
We'll be back. We just need to hide the laptop in somewhere.
You're going to love that all the time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Jeff and Rose are gone. Food. Nom 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 nom. Oh, God. Whoa. Alright, come on.
Can you guarantee that? Hi, what? What are you going to hide this?
Don't worry, I have an idea. You just gotta follow me.
Carry the computer.
Better to take a hike.
I don't
Right, come
know.
on.
Don't push. I haven't been out.
Alright, we're finally here. We're finally here where we're gonna be hiding the laptop. We need to hide it before the police actually tracks us down. You don't want to go to jail, do you? God, even I'm tired.
You're tired.
Well,
I mean, you do things going along. This is the first time I've done anything really
alright, so.
except move.
Okay. Alright. What's the
Well,
most
where-
steepest area here?
I'm glad I put my.
It's right here.
jacket
Oh, wait. It's right
Don't,
here.
don't put that computer
No, it's not. Alright, here we go.
Yeah, don't cover it with dirt.
Alright. I think that'll hide it. Alright. Did you bring your phone?
Maybe I climbed too much? Too much up?
Okay. So,
Uh,
I'm gonna disable the internet so they can't even track us.
Mom? Help! Are you gonna get sick looking at me?
I really want to put like dirt over my computer.
Look.
Would you afraid? I wouldn't know you wouldn't do that or not.
Alright. Okay. Okay, here's your phone. We fixed it. Now, they can't track us, nor will they find us. But before we go home, how to do that? Oh my gosh.
I think it's going to rain, Jack.
Oh, what was that? I just heard another thunderbolt. We have to get home. Come on, we gotta go before we actually get hit by strong lightning. Come on.
Stuff like this, I'm
All
going
right, come on. We gotta go before we get hit by lightning.
with you here, I'll be getting more and more used to moving.
Okay. All right, let's. I'm gonna die. Lightning everywhere. Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh!
Don't expect me to.
Lightning just hit over there.
Oh my goodness.
I just heard lightning strike over there. We gotta get home. Alright, give me your phone. I need to check the weather. Wait. I'm gonna go check the weather channel on this phone. And, let's see how bad this is. Oh my gosh. This is an F5 thunderstorm.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
The beef right now.
Okay, I'm pretty much safe.
This room is heavy. I'm gonna go sit in my room. Well, I'm not used to this. You coming in?
Shoes.
You're only a kid.
Not a kid. I'm almost 14.
Okay, but I'm going on 85. 86.
86. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
86.
No. I don't know.
Alright.
What are you huffing?
Well, let's check the Weather Channel to see how bad the Weather Channel is. Hello, everyone. This is Drew Peacock reporting on Pen 15 News. Today, I would like to report that there's an F5 thunderstorm heading due west Rhode Island. We advise to stay away from windows, take shelter. I have to pee. What else am I supposed to say? Hey guys, what else am I supposed? Wait, I'm flared? Oh, I'm fired.
How long can you do that?
Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna have to take shelter. Turn off the TV, turn off the lights, stuff like that.
I never do that.
Come on, we gotta turn everything off.
Oh, Christ.
Alright,
Man,
alright.
how can you take, not like you, only 12 years old or 13 or whatever.
Okay,
Oh my God, you know it's so low. Gee,
alright. Let's stay here because this is serious. We could actually get a thunderbolt through the window. So we need to take it. Wait, where's stickers?
Hmm?
Where's stickers?
Wherever you left them. How can you take the
Stickers.
in the dark? We didn't take him with us, so he's not there.
What the? Oh my gosh!
What?
He ate all our food! Stickers! Out of there! Ow. Oh. Alright, we'll stay
I'm
safe.
just admiring my windows. I like them.
We'll stay safe here. Hold on, wait, but pillows do actually,
Jack, I've never been that scared. I know it's something
I know. Alright, this will protect us just in case. Because then we'll have protection.
You're not used to making movies anymore. So when you're pretending, I forget you're pretending.
Yeah, I know. Alright. Just in case, you know, this is the biggest thunderstorm we could possibly have in the world.
What?
Yeah, it is. We can have a thunderstorm. We can have a thunderbolt literally come through the window and struck us with billions of volts.
No, not gonna make any difference that way.
explosion and thunder and lightning?
No, I did not. I guess because I didn't.
How did you not? Alright, anyway, singers, how are you doing? Hey!
Say excuse me.
No. Hey, don't be that way. No. Hey!
How old was that?
Hey, Stickers, how old are you?
That was for a long time. It's a movie. Oh.
How old are you? 2. Oh, so 2.
You gotta remember, I just made movies. I'm not making a movie.
That's for burping in our face.